Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Suncoast Beach Club in Bull Bay, St. Thomas. Now we're going to give you an update as to what's happening here. Now it seems as if construction has stopped on this development. If you notice this, there's not any change. There's not any change to the development since the last time we were out here. Now on the left, that is the Southern Coastal Highway, the game-changing highway that takes you from Kingston to Morant Bay. Now, because this road was such a game changer, a lot of developments opened up or started in St. Thomas. The Morant Bay Urban Center and this one, the Suncoast Beach Club, have actually started. Well, the Morant Bay Urban Center is actually finished. And they have a lot more in the works. But if you notice, this development seems to have stopped. The Morant Bay Urban Center has a serious problem in that only one store has opened over there. So I'm not sure what's going on with these developments. Well, with the Morant Bay Urban Center, the problem is the rent. It's extremely high. Just to give you an example, one building, the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation building, 10 million a month. 10 million a month. I mean, I'm sure when they were doing the pricing for this facility, they must have realized that this is Morant Bay. The population in Morant Bay is not as large as the population in Kingston and St. Andrew. Why are you charging that exorbitant rent for property in Morant Bay? We'll give you an update video on that shortly. Now this development is a luxury development, luxury homes. I'm not sure what the price is, and I don't want to quote the wrong price, but I'm just assuming that maybe the sales aren't what they had anticipated. If anybody knows what's going on with the sales, let us know. And also what the cost of the development of a unit is. Quite a few. I am in Kingston. We noticed recently that the One Belmont building announced that they just signed their second tenant in 2025. And the first tenant was Cygnus, who built the building. So, not sure what's going on with these developments and the prices. Alright guys, we're going to give you an update as to this development, give you more information on it. And we'll keep you guys updated on all the developments we spoke about. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day. The parish of St. Thomas in Jamaica has long been considered one of the island's most underdeveloped regions, often referred to as the Forgotten Parish. However, the construction of the Suncoast Beach Club, a massive $35 billion resort-style residential project, is set to transform this narrative. Developed by TCF Holdings Limited, the project is a significant milestone in Jamaica's real estate landscape and plays a central role in the government's vision of revitalizing the parish through infrastructure, tourism, and housing development. The Suncoast Beach Club is located in 12 Mile St. Thomas, just 15 minutes from Kingston, making it one of the most strategically placed residential developments in Jamaica. Spread across approximately 90 acres of prime beachfront property, the gated community offers 396 residential units comprising townhouses, duplexes, villas, and condominiums. Its design combines modern coastal architecture with a resort-style living experience, catering to both local professionals and returning members of the Jamaican diaspora seeking high-quality housing options. The development is being completed in 3 phases. Phase 1 began in March 2023, featuring 133 units of 2-bedroom townhouses and duplexes. Phase 2 will include about 170 additional homes, while Phase 3 will focus on condominiums and premium villas. The Suncoast Beach Club has been designed to provide residents with a luxury resort lifestyle. Among its standout features are a private therapeutic black sand beach, a clubhouse and spa, multiple swimming pools, jogging trails, dog park, a skate park, and observation decks, and a 15,000 square foot commercial hub at the entrance, which will house a supermarket, restaurants, pharmacy, and offices. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.